In this video, we will learn some daily use action verbs and their forms, which is used mostly in your daily life. So let's start the video. Break, break, broke, broken. See, see, saw, seen. Drink, drink, drank, drunk. Fly, fly, flew, flown. Eat, ate, ate, eaten. Clap, clap, clapped, clapped. Pay, pay, paid, paid. Wake, wake, walk, woken. Freeze, freeze, froze, frozen. Speak, speak, spoke, spoken. Forget, forget, forgot, forgotten. Throw, throw, threw, thrown. Grind, grind, ground, ground. Beat, 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 beaten. Cook, cook, cooked, cooked. Arise, arise, arose, arisen. Bite, bite, beat, beaten. Burn, burn, burnt, burnt. Cry, cry, cried, cried. Give, give, gave, given. Grow, grow, grew, ground. Jump, jump, jumped, jumped. Write, write, wrote, written. Lift, lift, lifted, lifted. Sack, sack, sook, second. Sleep, sleep, slept, slept. Swim, swim, swam, swum. Teach, teach, taught, taught. Weep, weep, wept, wept. Catch, catch, caught, caught. Pull, pull, pulled, pulled. Think, think, thought, thought. Play, play, played, played. Build, build, bolt, bolt. Sit, sit, sat, sat. Run, run, ran, run. Cut, 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 cut. Go, go, went, gone. Thanks for watching this video.